So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Visual C++ 2013. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down, select your language, and then click on download. We're going to be getting x86 and x64, these two right here. So you want to tick both of them, and then click on download. If you get this, you want to click on allow, which will download multiple files. You should now have both x64 and x86 both downloaded. You want to right click on one of them and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both these downloads. We're going to install both of them. I'm going to start with x64. I'm going to double click on it. And now this will come up. You want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. And now once that's been installed, you want to click on close. Now we're going to install the other one, x86. Double click on it. Again, this will come up. You want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. And now once that's been installed, we can now close out of this. For the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.